Hello students, today I have drawn one map for you that is about the pilgrimage destination in India. भारतवर्ष में जो मुख्य तीर्थ स्थान हैं उनको मैंने इस मैप में ड्रॉ किया है, उनको मैंने इस मैप में शो किया है. These are 24 in numbers. So one by one I am telling them. The first one, this is where I have written 1. So this is Amarnath cave. And Amarnath cave, this is located in Jammu and Kashmir, and this holy place is dedicated for God Shiva. Number 2, Vaishno Devi. Vaishno Devi in Jammu and Kashmir. So that is also a holy place and famous pilgrimage, and many pilgrims they visit Vaishno Devi, and this is for uh, goddess Durga or Parvati and their uh, an incarnation uh, of Vaishno Devi. So this is number where I have written number 2. This is very famous place. ये जो जहाँ पर मैंने नंबर 2 लिखा है, ये जो जगह है ये जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में है और वैष्णो देवी के नाम से फेमस है. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे तीर्थयात्री जाते हैं. नंबर 3, where I have written number 3. See, this is in Punjab, and Amritsar in Punjab. This is the Golden Temple, and the Golden Temple, this is also known as Harminder Sahib also. And the foundation stone of Golden Temple was set by fourth Guru Ramdas, and it was constructed by fifth Guru Arjan Singh in 16th century. It had been constructed by marble stone and beautified by gold strips. ये जो गोल्डन टेम्पल है, जिसे हिंदी में स्वर्ण मंदिर भी कहते हैं, ये सुंदर संगमरमर के पत्थरों से बना हुआ है और इसमें सोने की पत्तियों के द्वारा नक्काशी की गई है जो बहुत ही सुंदर है और एक पवित्र गुरुद्वारा है और जिसका निर्माण 5वें गुरु श्री अर्जुन सिंह देव जी द्वारा करवाया गया था. After this, number 4, where I have written number 4, this is Kurukshetra, Haryana. In Haryana, this is famous battle between Kauravas and Pandavas. Kauravas and Pandavas, they fought here. So some ruins are seen still. So many people they visit, and there are some temples also at Kurukshetra. कुरुक्षेत्र यहाँ पर पांडवों और कौरवों का युद्ध हुआ था. ये जो स्थान है ये हरियाणा में है. आफ्टर दिस नंबर 5, वेयर आई रिटन नंबर 5. सो दिस प्लेस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर हिंदू पिलग्रिम्स. जनरली हिंदू पीपल दे विजिट पुष्कर in Rajasthan, and they go to Pushkar for Shraddh and other purposes. So here one small lake is also there that is very beautiful, and here the temple is dedicated to God Brahma, and Pushkar is a very फेमस फॉर कैमल फेयर. सो यहाँ पर पुष्कर में लोग श्राद्ध करवाने के लिए, अपने पितरों का श्राद्ध करवाने के लिए जाते हैं और इस स्थान पर ब्रह्मा जी का मंदिर है और एक सुंदर सा छोटा सा तालाब या इस समय आप कह सकते हो एक झील भी है और यहाँ पर ऊँटों का मेला भी लगता है. नाउ द नंबर 6. सो दिस इज Badrinath. Badrinath in Uttarakhand. Badrinath is a temple, and that temple is dedicated to God Vishnu, and Badrinath is a famous pilgrimage destination, and this is one of the 4 dhamas. So people they visit this place. After this, see number 7. Okay, this is Kedarnath. Okay, Kedarnath, this is also in Uttarakhand, and this Kedarnath is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Okay, after that, see number 8. This is Haridwar, and Haridwar is very famous pilgrimage destination for Hindus. Not only Hindus but other people from different religion, they also visit this place Haridwar. Okay, and people from all all over from India, they come here and they visit this place, this holy place. And this Haridwar, this is situated on the bank of river Ganga. After this, number 9. Number 9, this is Vrindavan in Uttar Pradesh. And Vrindavan, this is famous for the sweet memories of God Sri Krishna. And many pilgrims, they visit Vrindavan. After this, number 10, Mathura in Uttar Pradesh. And this is also dedicated for God Sri Krishna. And this place is known for the birthplace of God Krishna. After this, see 11. This 11, Ayodhya, this is also in Uttar Pradesh, in Faizabad district. And this Ayodhya is famous for the birthplace of God Ram. After this, see number 12. This is Sarnath, and here Gautam Buddha, the light of Asia, gave his first sermon, and it got famous as धर्म चक्र परिवर्तन. सो यहाँ पर सारनाथ में गौतम बुद्ध ने, भगवान बुद्ध ने यहाँ पर अपना पहला उपदेश दिया था, और ये घटना इतिहास में धर्म चक्र परिवर्तन के नाम से प्रसिद्ध हुई. सी आफ्टर दिस 13, this is Prayagraj. Okay, and this is also known as Allahabad. So this is famous place for Hindu pilgrims, and this is also famous for organizing Mahakumbh fair, and this is the meeting place of 3 rivers Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. देखिए जो ये 13 जहाँ पर लिखा है मैंने, ये इलाहाबाद है, जिसको आजकल प्रयागराज कहते हैं. इसका प्राचीन नाम भी प्रयागराज ही था, और यहाँ पर गंगा, यमुना, सरस्वती तीनों नदियों का संगम है. सरस्वती नदी को कंसिडर किया जाता है. वास्तव में वो आज के समय में सरस्वती नदी हमें कहीं दिखाई नहीं देती है. नाउ 14th, this is Gaya in Bihar, and this place is a famous destination for Pinddan and Shraddh for Hindus. After this, see 15, this is Kolkata. This Kolkata is famous for Howrah Bridge or Ravindra Setu, and Victoria Memorial and Birla Temple, etc. And this Kolkata is famous for Kali Temple and famous for worshipping of Kali Mata. कलकत्ता, जहाँ हावड़ा ब्रिज, रविंद्र सेतु, ये ब्रिज और विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल, बिरला मंदिर, इनके लिए तो प्रसिद्ध है ही है, और ये काली माता की पूजा के लिए और काली माता के मंदिर के लिए भी कोलकाता बहुत फेमस है. और दिस इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल एज वेल. सो आफ्टर दिस 16, दिस इज कोणार्क. This is famous for Sun Temple, and it is also counted among the 7 surprises of Indian history. It was constructed by Narasimhadev. After this, 17, this is Ujjain, and this holy place is situated on the bank of Shipra river, and Ujjain is also famous for Mahakumbh fair and Shiva temples. After this, see 18, number 18, this is Nasik, in Maharashtra, and Nasik is situated on the bank of Godavari river and famous for Mahakumbh fair. Nasik is also famous for coins and coin museum and production of onion. देखिए जो 18th जहाँ पर लिखा है ये नासिक है। ये स्थान महाराष्ट्र में है और ये यहाँ पर सिक्कों को ढालने की टकसाल भी है जहाँ पर सिक्के बनाए जाते हैं। और इसके अलावा यह जो स्थान है प्याज के उत्पादन के लिए भी पूरे भारत में प्रसिद्ध है। और ये स्थान गोदावरी नदी के किनारे पर है और यहाँ पर महाकुंभ भी आयोजित किया जाता है। कुंभ नाम का जो बहुत बड़ा मेला जो होता है जो प्रति 12 वर्ष बाद आयोजित किया जाता है। दिस प्लेस इज फेमस फॉर दैट ऑल्सो। आफ्टर दैट सी 19 so this is the place Shirdi in Maharashtra and this is very famous for the devotees of Shirdi Swami, Shirdi Sai Baba, and many pilgrims they visit this place. After this see 20 this is Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh, and this is famous for God Venkateshwar. And after this see 21 here between India and Sri Lanka, this 21 this is an island town and one of the four dhamas. This temple is dedicated for God Shiva. 21. After this see 22 this is Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. This religious place is dedicated to goddess Kanya Kumari, was the daughter of King Bharat and wanted to marry with God Shiva. Kanyakumari is the meeting point of Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. And Kanyakumari goddess, she killed the demon Banasur. After this see 23 this is see here this is Dwarkapuri, and Dwarkapuri is one of the 4 धामास एंड वन ऑफ द 7 पुरीज। जो द्वारकापुरी है ये हिंदुओं के 4 पवित्र धामों में से एक है और 7 पवित्र पुरियों में से एक इसे माना जाता है। अकॉर्डिंग टू हिंदू मैथोलॉजी दिस सिटी वॉज एस्टेब्लिश्ड बाय गॉड श्री कृष्णा हिमसेल्फ एंड गॉड श्री कृष्णा रूल्ड हियर एंड बट द रियल द्वारका वॉज ड्रॉन्ड इनटू द सी after the death of God Sri Krishna. The ruins of ancient Dwarka are still found here. This is the place, holy place Dwarka. After this, see 24. Now at last, Jagannath Puri. Jagannath Puri is also dedicated to God Jagannath or Lord Sri Krishna. This is one of the 4 dhamas of Hindu and also famous for Rath Yatra. This is the annual festival which is celebrated at this place. So, you know, these are the famous pilgrimage destination in India, and here 4 dhamas are also there. Number 6, this is Badrinath in Uttarakhand, and number 23 this is Dwarkapuri in Gujarat, and number 24 this is Jagannath Puri in Odisha, and number 22 this is Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.